In this video, I will be showing you can Canva translate to Spanish. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the top right corner and click on Create a Design. Then I'll select Custom Size. I'm choosing a standard document size to open up a fresh canvas. Once the page loads, I'll go to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Text tab. I'll click Add a Text Box and duplicate it. Then I'll type Hello, and on the other text box, I'll type Welcome to United States. Now that I have my English text ready, I'll go back to the sidebar and click on the Apps icon. In the search bar at the top, I'll type Translate and select the Translate app from the results. In the translation panel, I'll click on Select Language. I'll scroll through the alphabetical list until I find Spanish and select it. You can see there are options to change the tone of the voice, such as professional or friendly, but I'll keep it on original for this example. I'll make sure Translate Page is selected, and then I'll click the purple Translate button at the bottom. Canva instantly processes the request and creates a duplicate page with the translated text. On page 2, you can see that Hello has been changed to Hola, and Welcome to United States is now Bienvenido a Estados Unidos. It's a very quick and efficient way to localize your designs without leaving the editor. Can Canva translate to Spanish? The answer is yes.